Hello viewers, welcome to Gardening is My Love. In this brand new episode, let me bring before you the evergreen herb, rosemary. Rosemary is a woody evergreen herb with fragrant needle-shaped leaves that are used in seasoning dishes. However, rosemary also has many health benefits. Let me bring before you 10 important benefits of rosemary. How you can use rosemary in your diet. The first major benefit is it's a source of vitamins and minerals. Rosemary is a source of iron, calcium, copper and magnesium. It contains vitamins A, B, C and E. Rosemary is also a rich source of B-complex vitamins including folate and riboflavin. Second major benefit is it boosts immunity. The tiny rosemary leaves are loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds which help in strengthening the immune system. Rosemary also is antifungal, antibacterial and antiseptic. Third benefit is it helps to fight diabetes. Certain compounds in rosemary will help you to lower your blood sugar levels. It also helps in improving blood circulation. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds present in rosemary help improve blood circulation in our bodies. Good blood circulation is vital for our lungs, heart and muscles to function properly. Rosemary supports brain health. Some compounds present in rosemary promote brain health and enhance memory. These compounds help increase the chief neurotransmitter in our bodies, the acetylcholine. It also fights stress and anxiety. Inhaling the aroma of rosemary is known to lower cortisol levels in our blood, which causes stress and anxiety. Rosemary is a good mood enhancer and widely used in aromatherapy since ancient times. It protects our vision. The carnosic acid in rosemary prevents our eyes from age-related macular degeneration, which is the main cause of vision loss among the elderly. Rosemary aids in digestion. Sipping a cup of rosemary tea after meals will sort out all your digestive issues. Rosemary promotes the balance of healthy gut bacteria, thus supporting digestion. It is good for respiratory health. If you have been living in a polluted area and have a mucus buildup in your lungs, drinking rosemary tea can offer relief. It inhibits growth of cancer. Several studies suggest that rosemary extract may inhibit tumor growth by preventing cancerous cells from replicating. Rosemary and its several properties are known to possess antioxidant activity that could be beneficial for keeping cancer in check. So these are the 10 major benefits of rosemary. Plant rosemary in your indoor gardens. Rosemary is a beneficial herb for each and every one of us. Thank you for watching this episode. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. Rosemary is a beneficial herb. If you are trying to consume rosemary, always try to take the help of a medical practitioner. Thank you.